Hello friends, welcome back to our Tech99 channel. In this video I'm gonna to show you how to add a door for next level. Friends, after finishing this project, I will monetize this game with Facebook ads, Google AdMob ads, Yandex ads, and after monetizing this game, I will upload this game on Facebook Instant Game, Amazon App Store, Crazy for Games website, Poki website, AppTwire, App Center, Yard, and itch.io game website. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Friends, if you haven't seen my previous video, then just go to video description box below and click on playlist link and watch them. So let's start the video. So in first, I'm gonna to add a new object. Click on add a new object, sprite, and type here door. When player will be collision with the door, then next level will be open. So in first I have to create a new scene. Go to project manager and click on add a new scene, and it will be level 2. Okay. Go to level 1 events, add a new group, and it will be door, add a new event, add condition. When player is in collision with door, then next level will be open. Add action and change the scene. Scene will be level 2. Okay. And now click on add condition, other conditions, variable, and global variables, value of a global variable, and here will be h score greater than equal to 200. Here you can see if high score will be 200, then next level will be open. Okay, go to level 1 and I'm gonna to type here 200 coins. Okay, so now let's preview it. Click on preview button. Here you can see a score. If this score will be 200, then next level will be open. Okay, so I'm gonna to collect 200 coins. Yeah, here we go. You can see it. When player is collected 200 coins, then scene is changed. Okay. If player will not collect 200 coins, then scene will be not changed. Okay, let's preview it. Click on preview button. You can see here player is collected only 42 coins, then scene will be not changed. Okay. You can see here next level is not coming. When player will collect 200 coins, then scene will be changed and next level will be come. Okay. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next video.